show. Come on! It's your turn to have a go on the Shiny Show. The Shiny Show. You can show the things you know on the Shiny Show. The Shiny Show. Dogsby.
I'm Tigs.
Come and join in with that quiz. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. It's time to play the Shiny Show. Time to play the Shiny Show. And now, please tell me who's the quiz going to be? It's Mukka.
It's me. Mukka is a quizzer, the wonderful, wonderful quizzer. Oh, Mukka. What? Let's have eyes and ears and mouth and brain.
Eyes and ears and mouth and brain are what you need to play the game.
Eyes
For looking,
ears
for listening,
mouth
for talking,
brain
for thinking. Eyes and ears and mouth and brain are what you need. You need to play the game.
No, nice song.
Oh, sorry, Tigs. Cleared the tubes a bit.
Now, let's look at the shinies.
Oh,
Shinies. Now, shinies are anything shiny, so get some. Or make some. Loads of different shinies here. Anything shiny will do.
Oh, except a shiny monster, in case it eats you.
Yes. Thank you, Dogsby.
Best be on the safe side.
Or the barking side.
Anyway, let's have a look at this first. Zap! Well, as you can see, loads of birds here today. I'm at a bird sanctuary where lots of birds live and fly around and, things. Yeah. Birds! Hello. Get ready to flap into round one!
Oh, birds. They can be a bit noisy, birds.
Yeah, well, bound to be a bit noisy, all that flapping and squawking and stuff.
Yeah.
Flap, squawk, 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 flap, squawk. Anyway, have a look at this and get ready for some questions. Tap! Ow! That's Paxo.
Oh, wouldn't it be quicker to fly?
Paxo, he's a 7-year-old male Mackinder's eagle owl. He comes from Africa.
Oh!
Ooh,
Look at those claws. They're called talons.
Oh, and those are his wings.
Yeah, you can see all the feathers.
ooh, good balancing.
That's his beak.
Paxo,
And those are his ears.
For listening.
Paxo.
And his eyes.
For looking.
Okie dokie, diddly pokey. Right, first question coming up. What was the owl's name?
Oh yeah. I think it was Paxo.
Oh, he was very big. Not noisy, but very big.
Yes, and his name?
Paxo, I've already said.
I know that. Dogsby?
Pastry? Peppermint. Yes.
And what do you think the name of the owl was? Paxo, pastry, or peppermint?
Peppermint.
Can't remember.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right.
Yes.
And the answer is...
Paxo.
The owl's name is Paxo!
Yeah, chase-tastic start.
Oh, we're down in the Dogsbys.
So that's a shiny for you, Tigs.
Oh, lovely. A shiny for me, a shiny for me.
Oh, lumpy.
And if you got it right,
Give yourself a
shiny! Right, next question coming up. What are the bird's wings covered with?
Oh, I think it's feathers. Yes, feathers.
Yeah, I'll say feathers too, as well.
Oh,
And what do you think birds' wings are covered with?
You copied me.
Thought there, Dogsby.
Oh,
It's feathers, isn't it?
yes.
Good.
And the answer is feathers!
Yes!
Oh, good.
Which means a shiny for Tigs and Dogsby.
Oh, right. Oh, another shiny for me. One of those, I think. There.
And, yes. Oh, shiny boon for a change.
And if you got the answer right,
Give yourself a shiny!
Right, time for the scores.
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find your score.
Let's see. 1. 1.
Right, and I've got 1, 2. Oh, 2. I've got 2, 2, 2. 2.
And how about you? Count your shinies. Right, what should we do now?
Oh, I know a great story about an owl. Ooh, come on, quick. Right, this story has got an owl in it who's very clever, so that better be me.
Are you sure?
Who has got both questions right so far?
Would that be you?
Yes, that's right. So I am the clever and wise owl.
Can I be?
The pussycat.
Oh, no, I couldn't be a cat.
All right then, Mukka, you're the pussycat.
Okay, cat just go meow and go to sleep. Meow.
Right, thank you, Mukka. It starts like this. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat.
Oh, don't tell me I get to be the boat.
All aboard! All aboard the beautiful boat!
Be careful. No.
Oh, meow. Not exactly a luxury cruise. It's not very comfortable.
Well, I didn't ask to be a boat.
Oh, stop wobbling, Dogsby.
I'm not wobbling, I'm bobbing. It's what boats do. Bob, bob, up and down. Bob, 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 bob.
Well, stop bobbing. I can't get to sleep.
Bob, 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 bob. Ooh.
Oh, anyway, no time for sleeping. It's round
Bob, 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 bob.
Right, here we go again.
Bob, bob.
Ha. Zap.
This is Whisper. He's a male barn owl.
Hello,
Whisper the barn owl.
Hello, Whisper.
Ooh. He's got lovely speckled wings.
Oh, and a lovely white tummy.
Oh, he's got
look.
long claws too.
They're talons, Dogsby.
Boo! I liked that owl.
Yes, but were you watching and listening?
I am the wise old owl.
Well, let's see, shall we? First question. What is the proper name for the owl's sharp claws?
Oh, talons. Yeah, they were talons.
Oh, gallons. I think they were called gallons.
And what do you think the owl's sharp claws are called?
Gallons.
Yes,
No, talons.
nearly talons.
And the answer is talons!
Yeah, wise old owl, wise old owl.
A shiny for the wise old owl.
Twit to roll.
Nothing for the boat. Bob, bob.
Oh, bad luck, Bob the boat.
Bob, bob.
And if you got it right,
Give yourself a shiny.
Right, next question. What type of owl is Whisper?
Is who?
Whisper.
Is who?
Owl, I am the wise old owl. Twit to roll, twit to roll, flap, flap,
I
flap,
see.
flap, flap.
And Bob the boat?
I think he's a barn owl.
And what type of owl do you think Whisper is?
Twit to roll, flap, 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 flap,
No, he's a barn
I'm
owl.
wise, I'm wise.
And the answer is he was a barn owl. Shiny for Dogsby.
Oh, I'm the wise old boat.
I wasn't really paying attention.
No, you
No,
weren't.
not very wise at all, are you? But If you got the answer right,
Give yourself a shiny!
Right, and the scores at the end of that round.
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find your score.
Well, I've got 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2.
And I've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've got 3. I've got 3. 3 for me. 3.
Count your shinies to see how many you've got right.
Right, let's go and see how the owl and the pussycat are getting on.
Bob, 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 Bob,
OK, what's next?
Bob, 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 Bob.
No, I don't want you to go Bob anymore.
Bob, Bob, Bob.
I want you to go bong.
Oh, OK. Bong, 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 bong.
Excuse me,
bong,
why is Bob going bong?
Because the owl and the pussycat sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows.
Bong, 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 bong.
I've never heard a tree go bong.
No, it should get out more.
Bong.
Is that what you do, Dogsby?
Bong. Well, what else do you think a bong tree should do?
Well, it should get climbed on by a pussycat.
Oh, dear me. Oh.
Mukka, come down at once.
Oh, why?
Because I've got to marry you.
I think I'll go back up my tree.
No. The story says the owl and the pussycat get married.
Yeah, but you don't want to believe everything you hear in stories, Tigs.
But we got to get married.
Oh, phew. That was close. Back to the quiz.
Mukka!
Right, back in your seats. Back in your seats.
Bong, bong.
Look, it could just be a quiet little wedding. You know, not much fuss.
No, thanks very much.
No.
Dap.
This is Jock. He's a male Harris hawk. He's 13 years old and he's from America.
No talons.
And a bell.
Why is he wearing a glove, that man? Is it cold? Look.
No, it's to protect his hand.
Oh, he's having a hawky snack. Oh, my ears.
He's calling him.
He's not taking any notice.
Just watch.
Oh.
Whee!
Oh, well done, Jock.
Wow, that was a great bird.
A hawk.
Oh, looked a little bit fierce to me.
Well, let's see how fierce you find these questions. Now, how did the man get the hawk to pay attention? What did he do to make the hawk come back to him?
I think he shouted, "Hello, Hawkie, I'm over here."
No, he blew a whistle.
Oh.
And what do you think? How did the man make the hawk come back to him?
I think I might be wrong.
Oh, it was horrible.
Yeah, I think I'm wrong.
I call the bird with a whistle.
He blew a whistle like this.
No!
OK, I won't play it.
Oh, thank you.
Much. Oh, at least you got it right.
Oh, well done, Lucky Hat.
A shiny for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, dear Mr. Cheese.
And if you got it right,
Give
yourself a shiny.
Right, last question.
Yeah.
Now, what did the man wear to stop the sharp talons digging into him?
A lucky hat, yeah, like Dogsby's.
Oh, no, I don't think Lucky Hat is the answer. Sorry, old chap. I think it was a lucky glove.
A lucky glove?
Yes, lucky he had it on.
And what do you think the man was wearing?
That was quite funny.
I think you're right again.
Yes,
I'm
I
wrong.
do
I just think.
And the answer was
I wear a glove to protect my hand.
a special tough glove. So it's a shiny for Dogsby.
Oh, my word.
And nothing for for the stupid wise owl.
I think I'm going to be a hawk now.
And if you got that one right, give yourself a shiny! OK, let's find out who's won!
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find your soul.
Let's see. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 4. 2, 3, 4.
And I've got 1, 2, 3, 3.
So, Dogsby wins!
Oh,
No. Well done, Dogsby.
thank you.
So, Dogsby gets the super shiny!
Oh, super thank you.
And if you got 4 shinies, or 5, or 6, you're the winner too! Here's your super shiny.
Breakfast, lunch, tea and dinner. You're the one who is the winner.
So, if you won,
Give yourself a pat on the front. A pat on the front. A pat on the front. Give yourself a pat on the front. You won, you won, you won.
Come on then, let's finish the story.
oh, all right.
Boom, boom.
Look, you, marry me.
No.
I said the story. Anyway, what's wrong with me?
Well, your breath smells of fish.
Bong, bong.
That's enough
bong.
bonging, Dogsby.
Oh, you could never have enough bonging.
No,
Bong.
you've got a new part to play in the story.
Oh, another part? Oh, I bet I get jumped on again.
No, you see, we need a ring to be married.
Oh, we could just call the whole thing off.
And do you know who's got a ring?
Oh,
There, in a wood, a piggy wig stood with a ring at the end of his nose.
a pig with a ring?
In his nose.
Oh, very fashionable. OK, so Dogsby is the pig.
Oh, I think I've been a pig before.
Yes.
Last time I was a pig, I got tickled.
Yes. Shall we get married, or shall we tickle that pig?
Let's tickle that pig.
To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig.
Let's see the video again.
Oh, and see you all again next time.
Yeah, bye.
Now, stop it.
Get away from me. Talons.
Oh, whisper the barn owl.
The barn owl. Twisty head.
Oh, nice thick gloves.
Oh, no, I hope he doesn't blow. No.
Now you all have had a go on the shiny show, the shiny show. You've all shown the things you know on the shiny show, the shiny show.